think right there at the end of the push-to-talk switch to the right, see a little hairline crack. Never been dropped, never been portable, never been outside, just sits here on the shelf with the rest of my radios. Except it has that little hairline crack. Can you imagine that? And Yaesu wants to deny it and do everything else to disrespect people on it. It's either a manufacturing defect or a flaw in the design. Well, that's the same thing, but anyways. Yeah, pretty pathetic, isn't it? It is sad. This guy tried to send an email to Yaesu Direct. I posted this picture of mine on the Facebook group, FT5 group, a couple different FT5 Facebook groups. It looks like everybody has a crack in their case for the majority of the FT5 owners. I never dropped mine. My radio's never been outside. It's got to be a manufacturing defect. Doesn't affect my radio, I do not believe. But if it becomes an issue, who's going to fix it? Who's going to take care of it? Why can't Yaesu acknowledge, yeah, we did the molding wrong, there's a weak flaw, the mold was bad, something like that, instead of just ignoring people like this gentleman. I've covered up his name for his privacy. It's just sickening when a company does not offer customer service. They just ignore you. Silence is golden. Go away, folks. You know, will you continue to buy Yaesu with that attitude?